Hey guys, I'm just reviewing the dual air fryer that I got off Amazon. I am so happy with this. I can't even tell you how easy it makes dinner time. So I've got kids, often I've got meat going in one and veggies in the other, but tonight it's just me at home. So I'm gonna do my piece of salmon and my veggies in one side. And I will turn it halfway and add the broccoli as well on the second half, but you just turn that on and choose which side you want. So you've got all the different options of vegetables or meat. You've got your temperature down here. I'll just do, say, about 190 degrees, and I'll do it for about 9 minutes, and then I will flip it over and add some broccoli, and then my dinner will be done. Okay, halfway through. Oh, so you can see it's already cooked a lot. I'll just give the potatoes a wiggle, turn. Oh, it's hard to do it with one hand. Turn the fish around, give it another spray of oil. You don't need much oil in these, you just use a bit of spray. I've just got some blanched broccoli, and in it goes for another 8 minutes I'll do, and I reckon that will be done. Okay, it's beeping to tell me it's done. Let's see how it looks. So good. The skin on the salmon is crispy. The potatoes are done. The broccoli has got like a nice crisp to it. And all you do is give that a wash out with some warm soapy water and give it a wipe out. They're super easy to clean, and dinner is done in less than 20 minutes.